If you've locked your card on Robinhood and need to unlock it, follow these simple steps to regain access quickly. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your card settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, select Settings to access your account preferences. Step 3. Access card settings. In the settings menu, look for the Cash Management or Card section. Tap on it to find options related to your Robinhood card. Step 4. Unlock your card. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirmation. After successfully unlocking your card, you should receive a confirmation message. Check that your card is now active and ready for use. Now you can use your Robinhood card again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Robinhood support for further assistance.